So we have some cracks in our driveway that we're trying to repair. Let's see what we have over here. This is the Blackjack Speed Fill Elastic Crack Filler. So it comes with this built-in pourer, okay, funnel. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it to use. Alright, so today's a very hot day. You want to do it in a very warm, hot day. Today is like high of 99. See some of these already filled. And this Blacktop is probably like a couple of years old. I remember doing this. So let's put it to work. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, remove all of the grass or weeds, which we have done. You see this one is really solidifying. And then of course you want to sweep it, make sure there's no residue, you know. Okay. So if you don't repair it, eventually it's going to crack and pieces are going to fall off. See, it becomes cracked into separate pieces like that. You don't want this. If you have a big section, you can just straightly pour out like that. And then we're going to use like a spatula to fill in the gaps. So here we have a new bottle. You're going to make sure you stir it real good. Okay. You can also use a stick like what my dad's doing right now. So you just want to work in filling the gaps. Like that. Where we see the cracks. This is a pretty big area, so definitely you want to use a good generous amount. See? That's my dad pouring it. Wow,點解嗰個咁濕? See, if you don't mix it in, it's gonna be watery like that. See? See? Actually, see the bottom. So you definitely want to mix it real good. Using the sticks to fill in the gap. So here are some precautions applications. Basically says you want to use it 65 degrees Fahrenheit and above, and also do not store it over 100 degrees. Don't use it if it's rain expected in 24 hours and it dries 1 hour good drying. So my dad found a spatula, so this will make it a little bit easier. Looks like chocolate, man. I feel like I'm making a cake. It looks like the sun is about to set. Let's check out all the Blackjack Speed Fill. It's been over 1 hour, so it's pretty much dry. Yeah, so if you're looking for some filler for your cracks in your driveway, definitely give the Blackjack Speed Fill a look. Easy to use. And it dries quick. Definitely recommend it.